So welcome students. In this question you're asked to find the summation. Again you have 2 factorial, 4 factorial, 6 factorial in the denominator. So mostly this summation is related to the expansion of e power x, right? So how do we solve this? So e power 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus so on up to infinity. Similarly, e power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus so on up to infinity. So you have the expansion of e power 1, have the expansion of e power minus 1. So now I'll add these two expansions. So e power 1 plus e power minus 1 is equal to, if I add, you can see that these terms gets cancelled, the odd terms gets cancelled. And you have 2 times 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 1 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial plus so on up to infinity. So as you can see, this is the expansion which is asked of you. This implies e plus 1 by e by 2 is equal to 1 plus, so if I say this is equal to x, I have 1 plus x. So this implies 1 plus x is equal to e square plus 1 by 2e. E square plus 1 by 2e. This implies x is equal to e square plus 1 by 2e minus 1. That is equal to e square plus 1 minus 2e by 2e. That is equal to e minus 1 whole square by 2e. So the sum of the sequence is e minus 1 whole square by 2e. Thank you.